question is, do you want to become successful? So, paano daw ba maging successful? If you want to be successful in life, seek to become a person with value. And dito, makikita mo na yung persons with value, first, you become significant. How to become significant? You must become a unique person. And paano maging unique person? You make yourself rare. And how to make yourself rare? You develop a gift that cannot be found anyone else. Kumbaga, ikaw lang yung merong gift na hindi kayang gawin ng iba. This is something that you were born to do, that no one else can do, only you, that you can do it. So we have to learn to become one competent in one area of our life. It must become a good area, or we became good in one area. And it's all up to you what area of your life you want to become successful. Because you know yourself rather than anyone else. And that gift that you have, only you also know what kind of gift that you have. So choose to be good in one area of your life. Be known for something. Most people are failed because they are in general practitioners na parang gusto nila sa lahat lahat ng bagay kaya nilang gawin. They are in general practices that they can do everything. So we must successful if we choose one area of our life that we make ourselves rare, that we can develop that gift that we have. We have to become competent. Choose what kind of area in your life that you want to become successful. Be known for something in that one area of your life. Don't be so greedy that you won't become successful in general, that you aim that you can do everything but specialize for nothing. If you have a skills in one something, work in it. Focus on that area. be specialized in that area. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God